Hey, we're here with Ryan, and we got 9 inches of snow, and we're going to let him play in the snow. Hey, Ryan, you're 11 months old, and you're going to get to play in the snow. Do you want to put him down in the snow? He's upset because Mommy just walked away to go get the camera. Oh, there you are in the snow. Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy, where are you? Are you in the snow? Are you in the snow? Yeah, you are.
This isn't going to last long. His mittens are not waterproof.
He's buried. Hey, guy. Hey. Ryan. Almost a year old. And there's snow in your bucket. Daddy's burying you. Daddy's demonstrated how to do a snow angel.
Come on, Ryan.
But I don't think he's going to get it.
How big is Ryan? How big is Ryan? How big is Ryan? How big is Ryan?
I think Ryan likes Hawaii better than he likes snowstorms. Yeah, Ryan. Not so tasty. Not so tasty. Ryan does not like the taste of snow. Hey, little guy. Daddy's helping him with his first snow angel. Why don't you help him with his first snow angel a little more so we get a little snow angel. Yeah, he likes being helped with his snow angel. Yeah, you do. Yeah. Yeah, so Ryan has just, with a little bit of help, created his first snow angel.